In order to create the mood board with the Delice application, first you need to search for the particular tag, and then you click the board button, which will in turn generate the mood board. The Delice application treats the images in two ways. When you set the tag you are interested in, let's say in our case it's the animal tag, Delice will collect all the images inside the database and it will try to fit them as close as possible to each other. When you add the tags to images, there are two ways you can do that. You can either add the tag to entire image, or you can add the tag to the region, or you can add this text to the separate regions. This can be useful in cases when you're interested only in particular objects and not the entire image. This will save up a lot of space on the mood board. When you generate the mood board, there are two options you can play around with: the individual row and the show text reference. The way the individual row works is that when this is enabled, the Delice will go and try to extract only regions that are associated with this particular tag. For instance, in case of this horse, we had the entire image that has a lot of background, but we interested only in this horse, so we created region and assigned a tag animal to this, and now when we create the mood board, we see only this region. If we tick off this option here, we can then regenerate the mood board, and after the regeneration you can actually see that the original image has a lot of background, and this image as well as this one. Now you can also decide whether to show the text reference next to image or not. Let's regenerate back where it was. You can see now that these two images, they have the text reference about the horse and about the raccoon. If you tick off this option here, basically what will happen, you will see the entire board just without the text. And as you might have guessed already, the regenerate button, it will just regenerate the mood board for you once you change these two options.